Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create presentations in Canva using templates? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize a presentation template using Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Create. Then select Presentation. Canva will display many presentation templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. You can choose Apply All or select an individual page. For this example, I'll tap Apply All. Once the template opens, the presentation editor will appear automatically. To replace an image, tap the image you want to change. Then tap Replace. Select the image you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original image. To edit text, tap the text you want to change, then tap Edit. Type the text you want to use. When you're finished, tap the check mark icon. Repeat these steps for any other images or text you want to customize. To preview your presentation, tap the icon that looks like a TV screen with a play button inside. Canva will display a presentation preview. Once everything looks good, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. And that's how to create presentations in Canva using templates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.